Since the Environmental Protection Agency revealed that some chemicals in perfumes can cause numerous health issues to the human body, what are these toxic chemical substances in perfume? Some of these chemicals become toxic because some perfume industries do not follow the IFRA standard of their usage in products, while some are purely toxic, which implies that the long-term usage of these chemicals is very dangerous to humans' health. I can't mention all, but I will mention few among these chemical ingredients. Number one, alcohol. Alcohol is a drying agent used all over the world to make things evaporate quickly. Alcohol is used in making perfume because the fragrance oil can easily dilute in it. It also serves as a solvent which creates a sprayable consistency and evaporates easily. Alcohol is irritating to the respiratory system and it dries up the natural oil in the skin. It can also cause dizziness and itching. The second chemical is phthalates. Phthalates are colorless and odorless chemical compounds that are used in making plastic more durable. Phthalate is added to perfume as a solvent that helps the scent last longer and also serve as a stabilizer. Exposure to too much of phthalate can cause asthma, breast cancer, obesity, and it can reduce IQ in children. It can also alter the reproductive development. The third chemical is styrene. Styrene is a colorless liquid that is used in the production of plastic packaging and insulation. Styrene is added to perfume because it dries up quickly and also have a sweet smell. Exposure to too much of styrene will cause damage to the nervous system and it has been declared as a carcinogen. Number 4, paraben. Paraben are added to perfume to serve as a preservative. Paraben has been linked to various types of cancer and productive toxicity. It can also cause irritation to the skin. Number 5, methylene chloride. This chemical has been banned by the IFRA, but recent studies reveal that this chemical is still being used in products. Methylene chloride acts as a solvent to bind other chemicals together in perfume. This substance is very toxic because it can easily cause cancer. The list of these ingredients are quite long. Other ingredients include acetaldehyde, oxybenzone, mux ketone, ethylene glycol, camphor, and so on. Note, these ingredients are not only used in perfume. They can be found in skincare products, shampoos, and even cosmetics. There is need for you to start reading product label. How can you now navigate using perfume with the presence of all these toxic chemicals